All right, we are here with Coach Phillip Williams, head coach at Portmore United. I mean, very good game, competitive. Just one defensive lapse, you would say, that led to your team conceding the goal. But what is your overall assessment of your team's play on this first game of the season?
I mean, I'm pretty pleased in terms of how we play. I mean, in the first 10 or 15 minutes, we were showing too much respect to the Mount Pleasant team. These youngsters being inexperienced. But I mean, after that, they really came into the game and give a good account of themselves.
Yeah, but you raise the point of youngsters because a lot of your players, this is first or second season coming up against a more experienced Mount Pleasant team. Did that have any impact on you think like how your team played overall?
No. I mean, there are some instances where you see where if the player did have a little bit more experience, they would have made a different decision. But in terms of what they did out there, we are pretty confident and with what they did. I mean, with the likes of Marshall and Walsh to come in, we'll equip ourselves good going forward.
Yeah, again, last year you were very good defensively. Again, you started this year very good defensively. Just like from last year, not scoring enough goals. I mean, outside of Walsh and Marshall coming in, that could add to your goal scoring powers. What else you need to do to create and score more goals as a team go forward?
Decision making in the final third is very important in goal scoring. I mean, there are instances where you see where if the player had looked or the players had looked, we could have a higher percentage in terms of the chance that was created, or even create more chances if they were looking. So that is an area that we definitely have to work on because it doesn't make sense we have Walsh and Marshall coming in and the pass are not reaching them, or the correct pass or the correct decision to get the ball to them in the final third. So that's an area that I see today. If there's an area that I'll mark them down on, it would be decision making in the final third.
All right, wonderful, Coach Phillip Williams. In the season that is going on, this is your first loss, especially because your stats team has been undefeated. So all the best in the Manning Cup and all the best for the rest of the Premier League season.
Man, thanks much.
You're welcome.
All right.